Hey guys, just going to do an unboxing for you today. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you, show you what's in the box. Obviously there isn't a charger with this. You can see how a charging unit would not fit in this box. So here we go. Okay, so we have the phone. A little bit of backing cover, nice colour. There's a little tab at the front. Take off this cover. This one is the 12 gigabyte memory and 1 terabyte storage. So what else do we get in the box? Obviously it'll be a charging cable, I would think. Yeah, so we've got the tool to pop the SIM. A little bit of instructions and USB-C cable for charging. So there you have it.